You ever stumble across a website that makes claims so outrageous it almost dares you to believe it's real? That's exactly the kind of vibe CloudTroid.com gives off. This site promises that by simply entering someone's phone number, you can instantly see their live location, view their cloud-stored photos, and even access their message history. Sounds like something ripped straight from a spy thriller, right? But let's take a step back and really unpack what's going on here. The first thing that jumps out is how vague and mysterious the whole operation is. There's no visible company behind it. No contact info, no clear terms of service or privacy policy, and absolutely no transparency. That's a big issue when a platform is claiming to access highly sensitive personal data. As you move through the process, the experience quickly shifts from curiosity to frustration. The site leads you through a series of steps that feel more like stalling tactics than anything else, asking for verification after verification, constantly promising results just one more click away. But here's the catch. Those results never actually materialize. Whether it's due to fake loading screens or redirects, it becomes obvious that there's no real tech behind the scenes doing what they claim. It's not just about wasting time, there's also a real risk to your privacy, especially if you're tempted to enter your own or someone else's real information. While I didn't find anything malicious like viruses or phishing during the test, the whole thing felt like bait designed to pull people in through curiosity and desperation. It's not the most aggressive scam I've seen, but it definitely smells like one of those too good to be true traps that ends in disappointment. So is CloudTroid legit? Based on my experience, it's a big no for reliability, usefulness, and transparency. If you're thinking about using it, ask yourself this. Would a legit service really offer that much power just from typing in a phone number and for free? Exactly.